A full-service dental lab provides a bespoke digital workflow for dentists to order custom products, such as crowns and bridges for patients. Each month, the lab processed hundreds of highly nuanced industrial-grade treatment plans and surgical guides for dentists. The process of creating the products, plans, and guides was both cumbersome and time-consuming. Plus, the existing system lacked the capacity to feature 20 products. When the application broke down and the historic vendor was unable to fix the system, the company needed to quickly create a scalable, HIPAA-compliant portal with an elevated UX to keep the business running and growing. The organization turned to LaunchPad Lab. Speed and reliability were two of the driving factors. In addition, the customer portal also needed to integrate seamlessly with Salesforce. By leveraging Heroku, it can dramatically reduce development time and spend. In addition, the team would use SendGrid for its cloud-based email delivery and transaction capabilities, as well as DropZone for its open-source library, making it easy to preview images and store attachments. The new app is now mobile-friendly and responsive for technicians and doctors to use anytime, anywhere. Dentists can easily submit requests to the portal. Technicians can accurately open a case, read through the notes, and understand the task within minutes. Specifically designed for admins, technicians, and doctors, each user group has different functionality and login credentials based on their role. Doctors can create cases using preset categories and types, and attach dental imagery to each case. In addition, doctors and technicians can add comments to ensure the information remains up to date. Admins and technicians can create new profiles for doctors. Similarly, doctors can also easily add patients to the portal so they can track their case progress. Users can set and customize email notifications for invites, case alerts, status updates, and comments. Building the app on Heroku dramatically reduced the development time, releasing the product within just 3 months. Cutting costs, scaling apps with ease and efficiency, and providing standard security practices. Users are reaping the benefits, saying how easy it is to use the new application.